On 25th August, APHLC organized a mass joining program at Hamren headquarters of West Karbi Anglong under Socheng constituency. As many as 573 families from INC, BJP and ASDC left their old parties and joined the APHLC party during the mass joining event. The mass joining event was organized at Hamren West Karbi Anglong under Socheng constituency, was presided by Bida Singh Teron, President of APHLC Socheng constituency. And the objective of the event was briefed by Chester Philcrow, General Secretary of APHLC Socheng constituency. J.I. Carter, President of APHLC, attended the mass joining program as the chief guest, along with Rajesh Tiso, Vice President, Sarkiri Rongpar, General Secretary, Rajan Timong, Finance Secretary, Samson Teron, Legal Cell Secretary, Kursing Timong, Organizing Secretary, Angtong Ingtikathar, Spokesperson, Bikram Hanse, President of Vatat Langso ST-LAC, Rita Kramsapi, President of Women Wings of APHLC, and several dignitaries from the party attended the mass joining event.
Nalihin pen thanik tha je pini lake APHLC ahin pen si ladak program bi polo lasin nangli copy aning ke the pen si ladang kidun lo mate nangli phan APHLC ke jatum nangli phan kapadok pathu ke thu lam dok pen to nangli phan ke hang ma la so jai mek along
ale nilin ke dok pen si la so APHLC long ni lo nilin ke ASDC along kane constituency long ta ili inu da is member lo setame hadak hang tawe yo lili kiduk ketora penili so yang re pe ketekang ni kresri kala penili ke song dun setame nili phan thang tawe la pen
song long lo hala so ke do
ASCC amade ning oi pik lo ke moba non ni chinam lo lang lon ke la tu mo ju ke san long ta hem pre ka phan ke mena vede ama se che plang pre lo pusinili la ong je ai long pen sing ki si ni ining sam on la tungge constitution ke na yan da than karbi kereng na phan da than apor la dak lo pusini.
J.I. Carter, while addressing the public, informed that APHLC always shares the knowledge of truth. APHLC would never share misinformation and lies to the people.
To election hold, alidar aja tu nang pulo, neli tu malidar kali bang alidar, wang si pulo nang tum bedam onde bedam no, kipu. Apa sih ni tu baby, ni tu ke kan lu ahok si tan, lama ahok si tan ni kan ni tu baby, ke bulu tu apa cu ke di.
J.I. Carter also spoke about the give and take policy introduced by the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya, where Block 1 and Block 2 region of West Karbi Anglong was included in this policy. He said that the diplomatic ties between the Khasi and the Karbi community must be strengthened to stay united and abide by the bifurcation made in the year 1951.
Khasi itu men itu ke cingki nang ya son do ulang. Dena non amat ke nilitum kipu ke la 1951 aningkan ke thak tang ahoy ka pedotang halaswa teng si chekroi nang ipusi ni tu kipu.
He also alleged that the government of Assam is trying to incite an ethnic war between Karbi and Khasi community because they knew that the autonomous district was created due to the collective efforts made by the Karbi and Khasi.
Assam government ka cuma thake cumang pen Karbi tu ngapa je chok apa je tu pe hadia kam se claim athema cumang pen Karbi tum chelang pong si aprang huta autonomous state ke long le di.
During the mass joining event, as many as 573 families from INC, BJP and ASDC left their old parties and marched with the APHLC party. Daniel Ling, his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.